Spreadsheet exercises number 5. Sorting data. First, enter state crime dataset in cell A1 and then enter state, urban, murder, police, robbery, and region from columns A2 to F2. And then enter the following letters on state on column A and then change the cells from B2 to E52 to number. Then enter the values for urban, and then the following numbers for murder, and then the following numbers for the next one is the police. Make sure you change the format into number. Then the next is robbery on column E. Input the values for the region in column F. North, Midwest, South, and then West. Go to Print Preview to see how the spreadsheet looks like if printed. Zoom in into the preview to check if the values are correct. And then highlight highlight a column first, then select sort by to change its arrangement. You can see that the arrangement is changing by sorting it ascending or descending. Then highlight a certain cell area, then try to see it in print.